Hey guys, James back. I'm here today to answer the question, can dents just pop out? Like if you get your hand behind this, can I just pop it out? Is it that easy? So we're gonna try it on this dent, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, I'm about to put my hand behind this dent, see if it's gonna pop out just with using my hand. I got the fender liner out of the way. By the way, this is a 2019 Dodge Challenger. So, all right, here we go. Let's see. Okay, so a bulk of it did pop out. But let me give you a closer look on what's left over. So this is the key to this whole deal, is sometimes you can push the bulk of a dent out, but this dent is by no means fixed. So let me show you a closer look at it, and then we'll go about finishing the repair out. So let me show you. All right, so this is what's left. So instead of one big dent, you have this dent right here, another dent over here, another dent right here, lots of buckle up here, lots of buckle back here, so even more buckle down here. So somebody might call that fixed, but it's definitely not fixed, and you're gonna definitely need a professional to fix that. All right, let me go ahead and get started with that. All right, so I wanted to show you something that just happened. It's pretty funny. So I sprayed the fender down with some quick wax and then wiped it off to clean it up, and I'll show you what happens. So I'm wiping it down. Whoop! Dent's back. So that's usually what happens whenever you have a dent like this that you can push out, is that it can be easily pushed back in just by the slightest touch. Hey guys, I'm all done with this Challenger. Came out really good. Definitely took some work, a couple hours of perfecting that thing. It looks pretty good. Let me show you what it looks like. And so remember, the moral of the story is, can a dent pop out? Sometimes it can, but don't expect it to look perfect. And if it can pop out easy, it can pop right back in pretty easy too. And there's gonna be a lot that still needs to be fixed. So find yourself a good dent guy with some experience, some skills. All right, see y'all next time.